Hey friends, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this tutorial, we will learn how to add a header to second page only in Microsoft Word without affecting the first page or the rest of the document. This formatting feature is extremely useful when working on assignments, reports, projects, academic papers, cover pages, and professional documents. Many users struggle because header usually apply to all page by default. This video explains simple and correct method to control headers using Word's built-in section and layout tools. So let's get started. You can see here a assignment document. Now I want to add header only on the second page. At first I zoom out this document. Now I go to the view menu and select this multiple pages option. Now I am seen on multiple page. Here we can see here some page 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 page. Now I want to add the header on the second page only. Then we zoom out this, then go to the insert menu and we can see here the header option. Firstly we have some work. We go to the first page last and go to the layout menu, click this break drop down menu and choose next page, then click the last of the second page, then again click the break drop down menu and choose next page. Now I go to insert menu again, click header option, choose blank header, and we can see here the section 1 the first page and the second page is section 2 and the third page or all page is section 3. Now I create section using this next page or break option. Now I click the header option, then select this link to previous option. Now I write my header text. Then we can see here first page not this text but the last page have this text. Now I click this third page and select the link to previous option, then delete the text, but we can see here not deleted on the second page. Then click this close header option, then we check the all page not available the header option but the second page available this option. Now I am zoom out the all page. We can see here the header on the second page only. I hope you understand this process because I make this process on break option. You can follow the all process step by step. I hope you can make it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get the very important video very soon. Thanks for watching.